If you've lost access to your phone number and need to recover your Agricultural Bank of Egypt account, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the bank's website. Go to the official Agricultural Bank of Egypt website. Look for the customer service or account recovery section, which typically provides information on how to recover your account. Step 2. Locate the recovery option. Find the option for account recovery or password reset. This may be labeled as Forgot Password or Account Recovery and will direct you to the necessary steps for regaining access. Step 3. Provide required information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose alternative verification methods. Since you do not have access to your phone number, look for alternative verification methods. This could include answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email. Step 5. Follow instructions to reset your account. After successfully verifying your identity, follow the instructions provided to reset your password or regain access to your account. Make sure to create a strong password and update your contact information. Once you have completed these steps, you should have access to your account again. If you encounter any issues, consider visiting a local branch or contacting customer support for further assistance.